Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect your GoDaddy website with the Google Search Console. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website builder if you have not already, and you can do so by going to directly godaddy.com and opening it up from there, and then this is how it's going to look like once you open up your website in edit mode. From here we can get started accessing everything we need. So what we can do now is go ahead and take a look at the settings option right here at the right side of the screen. As you can see, we can go ahead and follow our products page. You can also go ahead and take a look at right here the website mode. You can go ahead and open it up and open up your website editor. This is going to take you to this products page, and from here you can just click website marketing and click manage to open it up and then access your settings. So once you've done that, it's going to open up this new menu where we can find all the options we need, and one of them is going to be called SEO settings. Along SEO settings we also have Google AdSense and Google Analytics directly that you can use for your SEO, but if you want to optimize your SEO using Google search, you're going to be able to use this directly right here. You're going to click start optimizing. By clicking start optimizing is going to open up the search engine visibility, and this is going to take you back to the products page I have just showed you, and it's going to go ahead and enable you to go ahead and set up your Google search for your website. So from there you can continue inputting your info, selecting what you want to use and how to use it, and that is how to get started with doing so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.